across the sleeping seas, across the weeping streams. The Sakasayane returns in rising dreams. From broken songs we carve a newborn dawn. On this path of exile we rise and carry on.
In valleys born from morning mist, humans and beasts share the same breath. Footprints pressed in the waking earth, shadows merging, no lines left. Back when boundaries vanished away, heartbeats walking side by side. We traded spirits through our gaze, hearing the ancient mountains guide. Moonlight draped on a hunter's form, skin and fur were almost one. They said the world was once the same before the parting had begun. Back when boundaries vanished away, words and wild cries intertwined. The wind whispered stories soft, tracing the lines of ancient time. Metal trembling, memory awakening, pulses rising, forest hearts resonating, human and beast on waves of sound, slowly converging. Take me back to the uncut world before we carried different names. The deep forest still remembers the mirrored souls we once became. As if the boundaries fall back into the mist, as if the boundaries fall back into the The flood once swallowed the valleys, leaving only clouds drifting over the earth. Silence echoed like an ancient song, holding memories waiting to be reborn. Survivors stood upon the high ridge, gazing at the sky split wide. The wind carried the whisper of ancestors, guiding them toward the path ahead. Though night was long, they guarded the flame from shattered lands. New spirits rose again. We awoke after the great flood, rebuilding tomorrow with the beat of our hearts. Voices, ancestors call across time, a new people rising from the earth. Rivers began to flow once more. A spirit returned to mountain and forest. Life sprouted in the softened soil, igniting echoes of rebirth. A brother and sister bound by fate, their shoulders bearing the world's renew. With songs they wove a future line, a lineage carried into ages unseen. As the land revived beneath the drifting mist, courage became their echo and sang with the sky. Yahoo, water touches the heavens. Now your stories of the people return. Footsteps drum upon the ground, as if back to the first dawn. Firelight breaks the shadows, allowing the world to form again. We awoke after the great flood, marching into the future with the song of life. May the answers guard us from the clouds, so the stream of life never fades away. The ocean shifts, the current speed. A voice in the tide calls out to us。黑上移动，烧身地狱这祖灵的提醒。Dark clouds fall heavy, birds cease to fly. The world holds still before the rising swell. 黑云暗，天地屏息，静看潮势将起。Oh tide, hear the spirits cry. A warning born from ancient waves. shore. Ancestors' eyes shine through the foam， 海狗尽管足领之眼，在浪花中凝视我们。Voices rise beneath the waves, calling us to hear the ancient law。浪下的声音升起，提醒我們遵循祖靈法則。Oh tide, oh tide, hear the spirits cry.A warning born from ancient ways. Oh tide, do not ignore the signs. Protect our people, guide our home.
In the misty mountains, Hamo descends, golden grains in hand, spreading hope at dawn. He teaches the fields, he teaches the heart, ethics like water nurturing every part.
The wind whispers the ancestors' call. Stars are shining, guiding us through all.
Light of Hamo brightens darkness and plains, planting wisdom and kindness in the soil's veins. Voice of Hamo, song lingers near, light in our hearts, forever shining clear.